Incumbent companies have always incentives to focus on their core business, where they usually draw their profits or main revenue growth from, delivering to a customer segment they already know through a sales channel they clearly know and a business model they have been repeating for years. The market is demanding quarterly results and strong guidances. When you try to innovate within a multinational company, it happens rarely that a new non-sustaining product or service can generate significant profits or revenue from the start. Being marginal, it is even difficult to set the incentives for the sales force to dedicate efforts. And even more, trying to combine two business models within different segments or sales channels is tough. Clayton Christensen's main conclusion is that the incentives drive even the best rational CEOs to follow a path of sustaining innovation that eventually leads to disruption by small players. This gives startups an edge by developing the technology, focusing on small and attended niches, while learning in the process and capturing gradually more sophisticated clients till they are ready to capture the market. Technology can be potentially disruptive, but it needs great execution to eventually disrupt. By definition, disruption always takes place in an existing market and replaces the incumbents. It starts when the new technology gets to have the same level of power in the functional attribute demanded by the customer that the previous one with a lower cost. When you build a new business, you have many options. You can enter an existing market and try to win by using the same technology. So then you're not disrupting anything, you're just trying to win a traditional game. But if you're gonna enter an existing market and you like to sell shoes, and you're gonna sell shoes to the massive market that is selling shoes, buying shoes, and you want to compete with Nike, for sure you will need a lot of investment, and you will need a lot of marketing, and you will need a lot of money. And the probable scenario is you will lose. So that's not the best idea. The best idea is, if you're gonna enter an existing market, enter through a niche. So they're selling to everyone shoes for running, but maybe they're not focusing on a specific niche of people that have a special need. For example, their knees hurt when they run, and you discover that if you do something special in the shoes that is horrible for a niche of people that don't care about how they look, but their knees hurt and they don't want their knees to hurt at all, they will buy from you and not from Nike. Okay, and you see that the niche is good enough, okay, that is a good business opportunity. It doesn't mean that in the end you don't want to take the whole market, but then you can get another niche, then another niche, then another niche, and in the end you get the whole thing, because you grew and you have resources and your company works. But maybe you can found a new market. So you find a group of people that have a problem that no one thought about it before. And this is very, very interesting, and it's linked to a book called, that is old but it's super powerful and good for strategy, called Blue Ocean Strategy from INSEAD. This is another possibility. And the other possibility is really going through disruption, which combines starting with a new technology, in what I mentioned previously. That is, I get a new technology, I attack an existing market in a niche, and then my technology is the one who allows me to kill the main competitor.